Pilgrim products are everywhere on the internet. Let's see the products are hit or miss. First product is 24K Gold Face Mask. This is hit product and it really worked for me. So the texture, so it is literally looks like a gold. Not much of a fragrance, which is good thing, and texture wise and texture you can see like this, and keep it on your face and then wash it. The glow which I got after watching it was real, and it was a very good and immediate fix if you have anywhere to go. The second product is Retinol Night Cream. This has lot of fragrance and this didn't do much for me. That is why this is a miss for me. So texture wise, this is a white cream like texture, and I have used it every day for a week. It does give me moisturizing feeling, but actually the retinol and vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, they say that all the ingredients, all the good ingredients, so those effects I did not see even after using it for a week every night. It is little bit thick cream and not very gel like, so if you have very oily skin, this might irritate the skin, and not very easy to absorb but not that hard also. If I rub it for 1 to 2 like 15 seconds, it will go. As you can see, there is a little bit product still on my skin, it is not completely absorbed. The third product is Retinol Under Eye Cream. This product is hit. No smell, it did not irritate my eyes, and in just 1 day's use I can see my eyes hydrated and little firmer and better, like fresh looking. The texture is gel, not gel, jelly like. If you see, it is like a jelly, and this is how it looks, and very easy to absorb, but it is little bit thicker, so oily skin, beware. But generally under eye area is a little more drier every time, so this will be okay for you even if it is a thick. Easy to absorb, did not irritate my eye, and it gave a cooling effect after few minutes, and in just 1 day I was able to see my eyes looking better than yesterday. I will definitely be finishing this cream, and I will buy it again. Glow Sleeping Mask. This product is biggest miss for me. Firstly, this product sits on your skin. This is like transparent gel, and this never gets absorbed in your skin. So in the morning I do feel my skin is better or hydrated, but for that a whole night this cream was sitting, or this mask was sitting on my skin, and it never got absorbed. I was uncomfortable the whole night just to get a little moisturization effect in the morning. So for me this product is miss, because if I am using it during the night, I would expect it to get absorbed in my skin and not sit on my face like a face mask. Personally, this made me very uncomfortable and did not give me that much effect. Now the serums. This is 2% hyaluronic acid hydration super serum they call it, and this is a hit product for me. It does definitely provide you hydration within the night, and it is super light product. If you can see, it is transparent, and let me swatch it for you. Okay, very easy to absorb, but if you have oily skin, this will be too much for you. So definitely not for oily skin type. This definitely gave me a better hydration. My skin felt very hydrated next morning. So this serum is hit for me, but again, not for oily skin people. Last product is retinol and hyaluronic acid lift and foam serum. So this serum is also very good. These serums come in this black bottle, so no direct light contact, which is very good. And this serum is little bit thicker than Hydration Super Serum. And this is also very good in absorption. You don't have to do anything, and this does work for me. I have used it whole week, and it feels good for my fine lines, etc., and gives good glow to skin. Skin feels firmer in the morning. But if you are new to retinol, just ease into it. Don't jump directly. Just check other videos how to start using retinol and then buy this product.